Hey everyone, welcome to day 14 of Nailmas. Today I'm super excited because as you can see we have something a little different on the screen. Today is the release day for the Christmas Cookie Mani Swap, which I started last year, and it is a holiday magazine that is a free download on 25sweetpeas.com, which will be linked in the description box below if you guys want to go grab it. And it consists of fun holiday recipes and manicures from different nail bloggers and Instagrammers that you guys might already know. Plus this year we're doing a little something different, and actually we are getting to release a nail polish, which you guys are seeing right now, with Takko Lacquer called Baking Season, which actually just released today at 8 p.m. So let's take a look at the magazine, then we're going to live swatch the polish, and then I'll tell you about how you can get everything. So here is a look at the cover, which I know you guys already saw a little sneak peek of, but then once you go in, you've got a little table of contents that tells you about where the recipes are. So the first recipe that we're going to get to is called Slice and Bake Lemon Gems. They are so good. I actually went ahead and made them last weekend and they were delicious. Then we have these really neat Danish cookies. Next up we have some super festive Christmas swirl cookies that I absolutely love the nails that go with them as well. Like, it's so pretty. And of course we've got some festive chocolate covered pretzels. And I mean, who doesn't want holiday brownies with icing at that? And then sugar cookies, because you can never go wrong with sugar cookies at Christmas. And then cookie butter truffles, which is great if you aren't a chocolate person. Then there are some pictures of the polish that we named Baking Season, and I really wanted to create something that was like universal, meaning you could use it for the holiday season, but it would also be great worn throughout the full year. Then after that we have a little Q&A with Cheryl from Takko, and then of course the credit to all of the amazing artists and bakers that went into creating this magazine, and a look at all the nails. And then we have a conversion sheet, which I find so helpful for anything where you need to convert measurements or temperatures or all that good stuff. So now that we have checked out the magazine, let's check out this polish. So like I mentioned earlier, I really wanted to create something that would be perfect for the holiday season, but also be able to be worn throughout the full entire year. So we've kind of got a, I want to say a muted red with almost a hint of a pink in here, and a linear holographic going on, and it is absolutely stunning. It's got a little metallic-y feel and some of the red pigment, I would say, as well. And the holo just shines so amazingly. We are actually going to look at it with the flashlight, because you know that is like the imitation of sunlight if you can't get sunlight, because I do a lot of my filming at night. But there is one coat. As you can see, it has great coverage. In two coats you have full coverage, and I was super happy. I've worn it all day today, and it's absolutely stunning. The only bad thing is that it was super cloudy and raining, so I didn't get to enjoy the sunshine. But I did get to enjoy the flashlight shot that I did for you guys at the end. But here is two coats of Baking Season, and we all actually voted on the name of Baking Season just because I feel like Christmas time and just really the last half of the year is really baking season, because you've got like Thanksgiving, you've got Christmas, you've got Hanukkah, you've got all of those different holidays that have a lot to do with yummy baked goods. So there is two full coats of Baking Season, and now we are going to take a little bit of a closer look at it, because there is just so much gorgeousness going on. As you can really see here too, I feel like you can really get a good representation of the color, and I would say this is really accurate to what I am seeing in real life as well. So I am just really obsessed with this polish. It is beautiful in all different lightings, as you guys can obviously see here. That linear holo is very strong and beautiful. So that is it for today. I hope you guys have enjoyed the unveiling of the nail polish and the magazine. I am super happy about it and very excited, and I'm so thankful that Cheryl was up for this little task of creating Baking Season, because I think it came out amazing. And you guys can get it now. It is available, so I will put the link for that in the description box, as well as a link to today's blog post where you guys can get the download of the magazine, and it's completely free for the download. So you guys can head over there if you would like. And of course there are more pictures and a little bit more about my recipe, which was the cookie butter truffles, which I will have to say I'm a little bit obsessed with. So that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys back here tomorrow. Bye!